So here it is in its full glory. This is how we first saw it, and this is what we started to uncover when we got it back home. As you can see, quite a lot of filler on the rear quarter panels. Don't they look lovely? You know, there's a good few millimetres of filler, bondo, whatever you like to call it. And also when you look closely at the joint where it's been repaired, there's something definitely odd going on. There's definitely a joint there. You can get a screwdriver in. Actually, there's a gap. You can put the screwdriver in, it will just about poke out the other side into the boot. So that's definitely wrong. At this point, I'm not too sure how that lower section should have been fitted. I'm pretty certain it's not a genuine MGB part. I'm pretty certain it's a Mastercraft replacement lower section. Which is fine, but I'm pretty certain it shouldn't have been fitted like that. But in reflection, I don't think that's how it's been fitted. It seems like the actual original body has been cut way too high up towards the swage line, and then it's been sort of folded and whatever, brazed. And the body really, so it's going to be this is the sketch I'm trying to show how it's been fitted. But then the cost of a new quarter panel complete from Heritage is about, I think, £150 a side, which is a bit out of the budget really, so you need to find a way around it. I haven't thought of it yet, but I'll come up with that.